Hey everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here I have a Solis Crema SL70, and this was brought in because the power switch wasn't working right here. However, Solis parts are no longer available, so we had to use a different kind of switch. As you can see, it doesn't look the same. We had to drill a hole and fit it in, but it functions and works. So we're gonna pull a shot and test it. Looking good. Maybe just a little too much coffee. This is about 14 grams. We tried 10 grams just a couple minutes ago and it seemed to pour a little fast, so we thought he'd up it to 14, but it appears that probably the sweet spot is somewhere in between. It's tricky. This is a pressurized gasket, so you really gotta work with it. But overall, shot looks great. Good crema. Alright, we'll stop it there for a second and we'll flip the switch on for steam. It'll take a minute for the heat to build up, so we'll just chill out for a second. Alright, light kicked on. We'll open up the one. There's water. Alright. Well, power switch replaced and machine is working. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.